Hi everyone, my name is Ambril McLaurin. I'm a fashion designer and entrepreneur. I reside in Atlanta. I'm from a small town called Kinston, Mississippi. Currently, it's so much going on in this world, and I think it's very imperative of us to unite as one and all do our part. We must collectively be cautious of others and practice social distancing. There will be a time where we will be able to love on each other and just hug on our loved ones. Thank you to all of our brave healthcare workers, grocery food industry workers, home improvement store workers, whomever you are. You are truly our heroes. And I was thinking, what can I do to show my appreciation? So I have decided to design and manufacture 500 face masks to donate to you guys. So if you are someone, or if you know someone who are those industries, tag them below or contact me. I'll be more than happy to get your mask sent out to you as a donation. Thank you everyone. Please stay safe. These are the behind the scenes.
Alright guys, so first thing first, I secured all of my notions and all of my materials that will be needed for the mask. Because of our current situation, I had to purchase the majority of the materials locally in Atlanta, and that's okay, but normally I would purchase in bulk. So my goal was to be in and out as quickly as possible while maintaining social distancing at the same time. So if you guys do have to go out for any reason, whether it's work or a leisure, please wear a mask just for the safety of us all. The next phase is to come up with a game plan and discuss with everyone my complete vision, which includes what material to use and where, and also a time frame. Moving along to making a pattern, I make the pattern first with pattern paper, then I transfer the pattern paper to oak tack, then to a heavier material if needed. Now I say if needed, if you are hand cutting the fabric or using a machine or some type of software to cut the fabric, then you would use a heavier material. What you are seeing now is the cutting process. If you can see that white outline, it came from us tracing our pattern onto the fabric, which makes it easier to cut. I think we are cutting about 15 layers of fabric, and with this tool you can cut much more. So the next stage is to sew the samples. Yes, I do sew my own samples and make my patterns sometimes. Then we press, package, pack, then go home. And those are basically the steps to my design and manufacturing process.
Everyone, please stay safe out there. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like it. Go ahead and comment. Thank you guys so much.